My name is Moretlo Pauline Mukhutle. I'm from Northwest Province, where I'm a Chief Director responsible for district coordination. I have to indicate that now this is one of those workshops that I said were very good, that are dealing with strategies how to improve the performance of the province. Now, in terms of the performance of province, the workshop has indicated that now we have not done well in terms of maths and languages. And I have to indicate the percentage that they've shown us. It shows that now we are not doing well. Particularly, I've noticed when it comes to us mathematics that 26% of our learners are doing pure mathematics, and the other 60-something% is doing what is maths literacy. So it's better that now we re-strategize. We can do the cascading ourselves as a province to other districts to say this is the model that we've copied and this is the implementation plan and this is how we can go about it.
Mphoramadie, the Chief Director responsible for curriculum. In terms of the importance of this session, I must really extend my appreciation to NECT and the intense collaboration that we've got with them. In a sense that as a province, particularly with reference to mathematics as a subject, we have not been doing well, and of the 9 provinces, we are the only province that is not doing well. So I think bringing our focus to mathematics at this lower grade would be able to strengthen our participation as well as to share the necessary knowledge with our kids. And this will alleviate the challenge that I've just alluded to, and will make sure that the interest and the love for mathematics in our kids will start at a very tender age.
My name is Kathy Sitswambung. I'm the Chief Education Specialist, Curriculum GET in the Northwest Department of Education. This training really assisted us in terms of identifying the gaps in as far as our provincial literacy plan is concerned. So it was very informative as we were able to see where we are not doing it right. Because if you recall, you will realize that Northwest did not perform better in as far as PELS as well as ELNA is concerned. So going forward, based on the recommendations that were made in the training, like for an example, we didn't have a provincial literacy and numeracy committee, but based on the recommendations made, we find it very necessary that we must establish such a committee that is going to assist us. And the committee is going to be comprised of many role players because everybody must have a bite in our plan. Like for example, curriculum will be very key, teacher development, our QLTC, because it will also assist us in the networking of stakeholders. So multi-library, multimedia and library are also very key. So they will be part of those. So